What is going on, guys? Today we're going to draw a dog, but before we start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. Alright guys, first, let's start with the nose. We're going to have an oval-shaped nose with a small point at the bottom. Next, we're going to scoot a little bit over to the right. We're going to draw one of its eyes. It's going to be a slanted oval. Draw a tiny circle at the top, fill it in. This is going to be our shadow. That's going to be like a little glimmer. Next, for the other eye, we're going to go a line with a downward curve. We're just going to make it a little bit thicker. Perfect. So it's going to be winking at us. Next, we're going to move down to the mouth. You're going to draw two half circles connecting at the bottom of the nose. 1, 2. Let's curve these up a little bit more. Perfect. Next, we're going to draw the mouth. Now we're going to draw a tongue sticking out. It's going to be making a face at us. And then you're just going to connect this line to the top. Perfect. Now you're going to finish out your mouth. Draw the other side. There we have it. Next, we're going to move on to the top of the head. From the middle of the nose, you're just going to go all the way up. You're going to draw a curved line, just like that. Next, we're going to move on to the right ear. You're going to draw a line coming out of the head. We're going to carry it down. Perfect. Now we're going to draw the inside of the ear. One line up. Two small little mountain peaks. Three small little mountain peaks. And this is going to be the fur on its cheek. So again, we're going to do this shape. And then you're going to connect that. Perfect. Next, we're going to move on to the other side and do the same exact thing. This line's going to come all the way up, down back into the head, a line, 3 small peaks, just like that. I'm going to bring this line just a little, there we go. Now again, we're going to do the same to this side. The fur on his cheeks. Next, we're going to finish out the bottom of his face. Connect these lines. Now we're going to draw curved line. Curved line. This is going to be the collar. That's going to be the little link that connects the tag to the collar. So now we're just going to connect these lines and draw a circle at the bottom for the collar. And there we have it, guys. A dog face. Next step, coloring it in. there we have it, guys. Our dog head. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.